So here we have the seat. We have the seat pan, the seat back. It's adjustable. Right here, we have these clips. They'll clip on the back. You can adjust them. The seat cord here, depending on your preference, you'll have to set this up for your own body type. You can adjust it. There's different holes, and then you can lower it or raise it with this bit here. So right now, let's get it inside. Easiest to put it in the boat sideways, turn it up front, and now again you got two spots here. You got little grooves that you can slide it into. Just make sure you get both sides lined up. You can see that it's going in there. The other side's the same, and you just hit it back, pops in. Now with the seat back, the band here, we have a clip. We hook that down here. That just keeps it from popping up on you. And then we have our clips here. Strap those in. And now we use the seat cord, run behind the seat pillars. And we just latch them up here, get it tight. Same on this side.